welcome to Beauty First and 10. I found some of the cutest winter and New Year's Eve outfits at Walmart, and I want to share them with you. We have sparkly dresses, cozy combos, so let's dive in. All right, this first dress is a stunner. This is by Scoop, and this is their maxi taffeta dress with embellished straps. This comes in extra small to 4X, and this is $25. So let's take a look at this. I've kind of been really excited to see this, especially these straps. Look how sparkly they are. Oh, that's fun. Oh, and they're adjustable, so that's nice. Oh, this does have a little bit of give back here. Now, I did order this in size small, and I will make any notes up here if I think that I needed to order a different size or anything didn't fit, anything that you might need to know. But this dress is really nice. I'll bring this in so you can kind of take a look at that. But yeah, this taffeta dress is great. I'm excited. I think you could also wear kind of like a sparkly belt along the empire waist with this one. I think you could add some sparkly heels to just kind of make it a little bit more festive. I also think this would make an excellent, besides just New Year's Eve, which I think it would be amazing for. This is definitely giving classy New Year's Eve vibes, but this would also be great if you have any winter weddings that you have to go to. This would be great. Honestly, actually, as a bridesmaid dress, this would also be awesome. And at only $25, this is a great deal. This is machine washable and it does have pockets, so this will be perfect to ring in the new year. Now, I'm also going to share with you, I'm going to move over so we can show some pictures on the side here, but I'm also going to share with you these earrings. So these are by Time and True, and this is just $6.92. But it's nice because it's got the silver and the gold. It kind of goes with everything. And these crystal bow earrings, I did pair with a lot of the outfits, but I got it kind of specifically for that black dress because I think these are going to be perfect for New Year's and then really wearing them all year round. Bows are having such a moment right now, so they are definitely very in. Okay, before we get into the next item, remember to hit like if you enjoyed this video, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe and become part of the Beauty First and 10 family. Okay, this next dress gives all kinds of sparkle vibes. This is also by Scoop, and this comes in extra small to 2XL, and this just got reduced down to $21, and I got this again in size small. It did look a little oversized online, and I went with small, but again, I'll let you know if I see anything. Now, I will also be interested to know with these deep armholes, how the coverage works on there, but I'll bring this in. This silver shimmery tinsel sweater dress is playful and festive and perfect for New Year's or really any winter party that you have. Definitely consider this one. And I also think this would go really well with those crystal bow earrings. Now, if you're looking for more sparkly pieces like that tinsel dress, then definitely check out my loft haul. I just recently did a loft haul with all kinds of sparkly items that'll also be perfect for New Year's Eve. I will link it up here and then also in the description box down below. And all of these items will also be linked in the description box down below and also in the pinned comment. So next one we're going to talk about is actually this combo. So I got this sweater, and these are both from Free Assembly, and they come in extra small to 4XL. And this has got an elastic waistband. Now, I did get the size medium, but I'm going to bring this in so you can kind of see these beautiful rhinestones that they have on here. And this is also on the sweater. Now, there aren't really rhinestones on the back, and there's none on the back of the sweater, which is actually a little bit more comfortable. It'd be kind of uncomfortable to lean back and then have like, a giant jewel back there. But this sweater is $20. The skirt is $18.75. But I love this cozy but glam sweater set. This gives just a nice little hint of sparkle. Add some black boots to this and you're ready to go for New Year's Eve. Which of the three dresses would you wear for New Year's Eve? I'm super excited about the first one. I also like the other two. Let me know in the comments down below which one I should wear. Now, next up are some cute winter outfits, and we're going to start off with this bow sweater. So this is by No Boundaries. This is $18, and this is so cute. I'm going to bring this in so you can kind of see. So it has bows on the front, and then it also has in the sleeves, but there's nothing in the back. And this I got in a size medium. But the best part about this is it also comes with, also by No Boundaries, a pair of jeans that also have the same pink bows. Now this sweater does also come in white, but the jeans only come with the pink bows. I got this in size 8, and these are $20. So let's take a look at these. And I think you could wear this with some boots for like winter time. I also think you could just wear these with sneakers, but how cute is this together? I just think this is great. It is actually kind of interesting that the bow is a little bit brighter than this, but I think the contrast is really nice. And I got my normal size 8, which I usually am, so I'll let you know again if this is gonna fit or not. But it's got pockets, it's got a little bit of a wide leg here. This looks like it's going to be a really comfortable outfit. These bows are great for a relaxed winter day, but also keep this combination in mind for Valentine's Day because this would also fit. You could pair this with that gray skirt or just any other skirt you have, or for a casual brunch with the girls, you could also wear this combo. Okay, up next, I'm so excited about this one. This is by Free Assembly, and this is their navy and black bow cardigan. I think this is great as a winter layering piece. It's cute, but it's also comfortable. Now, this is $44, and I did get this in size medium so that I could actually wear something underneath it. It does have snap closures, which is really nice. You don't have to struggle with trying to get a button. I'll bring that in so you can kind of see that there. And I just think this is really good. It does have some pockets down here, but they're faux pockets, or you at least have to break them down. And there's a little bit of structure to both shoulders. I think this would be great paired with some blue jeans or even black jeans. I think you could also wear dress pants to make this work appropriate. And this is also definitely brunch appropriate all winter long. Okay, so now from bows to pearls. The next one we're going to show is this $30 jean from Scoop. And this has pearls located on the wide leg section of the pants. So let's take a look. Okay, so they're definitely just on the front. Okay, they actually start about like just, kind of below the crotch. They're there. And then I'll kind of bring this in so you can see. Obviously, they're faux pearls. And this comes in sizes 0 to 26. And I did get a size 8, which is kind of my normal size in Scoop jeans. And the pearl accents just give it a little bit of a chic touch. And it adds just a little bit of flair to a winter casual outfit. This is a great one to have all winter long. Okay, next up is a Valentine's preview. And I know I'm rushing it, but as soon as the Christmas stuff is out of the stores, they're gonna put it on sale for 90% off, and then they're gonna put Valentine's Day stuff out. And I don't want you to miss out on this because this will probably not be around by the time we get to February. So we have this pink sweater skirt. This is only $19, and this is by Free Assembly. It's actually similar to the gray skirt that I showed you with the sparkles, except this one is just pink. So it's got a little bit of flare. I did get the size medium again, and again, this does have an elastic waistband, but I think this is going to be great. Red and pink are so festive for Valentine's Day, and so you could pair this with a white sweater, a red sweater, a black sweater, and it would still look good. I also have some red maroon boots that I got from Scoop last year, and I will try to find something similar and pair it on there, but I think red boots with this pink skirt would look fantastic. Also, too, keep in mind, this could be your New Year's Eve outfit as well as your Valentine's Day outfit, and it's only $18. So for New Year's Eve, I would just wear a black sweater and some black boots, and you'll be good to go, and then just switch it out to red for Valentine's Day. This is a good one to check out because this will not be around long. Next up is this buffalo check print dress. This is such a classic statement piece, and it's got some ties in the front. This is by Time and True. I did get size medium, and this is $18. Now, I will show you it is a little bit on the short size. So again, for reference, I'm 5'9", and so I wear shorts underneath anything that's this short, just so I can kind of feel comfortable with wearing the outfit. This is the color Red Balloon, and I just think this is a great dress. I would wear this all winter long. You can pair it with, any kind of black accessories you have. This is also a great one and only $18. Okay, to complete your New Year's Eve outfit, you have to get one of these fun dressy jackets. And we'll start off with this one that I have here. This is by Scoop, and I'm going to use my scissors because this looks a little shrink wrapped and a little hard to get. Now, I got this in size medium, but it comes in extra small to 4XL, and this is $42. Let's see if I got that enough. And it's supposed to have kind of this wispy feather texture. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is great. I think this would be so good. Let's get this all situated here appropriately. This has such a fun texture. So I'm going to bring this in because I don't know that I can describe it super well. But this has kind of like a feather, wispy, faux fur texture. And it's supposed to have hook line buttons. So let's take a look at those. Okay, so that will just kind of slap on and snap off. This does have two pockets, but I think this is so nice. With it being kind of this off-white color, it's a great neutral. This will be a great winter staple. You could easily wear this kind of on a night on the town, I think, especially with that black taffeta dress. And you could also just wear this to brunch. I also like that it has kind of a flat collar, so it's not a big poofy collar, which makes it more wearable for just, kind of everyday use. This next jacket is super fun. So I got this one actually in store, and let's see if I can find the front of this. So this is by No Boundaries, and this one is very affordable. This is only $20. And I got this in the color dark cherry. I'll bring it in so you can kind of see it there a little bit better. It does come in a really pretty off-white one that is called Rainy Day. Both of them look great, but yeah, I really like, you got kind of like this really like puffy collar. So this looks really luxe. It kind of adds instant glam to any outfit you pair it with. I think this would look good with a tinsel dress. I think this would also look good with the black dress. I think this could be really versatile for any of your nighttime pieces, but how fun is this? Now, I do think it also has pockets, and it also has the hook line closure that we had in the other jacket. This is a great party jacket. Now, this next one is by Scoop, and this is their oversized black wool and faux fur trimmed jacket. This is $44, and it did say it was oversized. So I did get this in the size small, and again, I'll let you know in that description box if that didn't fit. This is definitely going to be a little bit of a longer coat, and this is also supposed to be heavyweight, which if you live up north, you need something that actually gives you a little bit of warmth while also looking super cute. I'll bring this in so you can kind of see this collar. But yeah, this is really fun. I like this. It's got buttons down here, so double-breasted buttons as well. And this is a great statement coat. I love the color contrast between the black and the white. I think this would be good for day or night. And I love the texture. Which jacket are you going to be picking up for winter time? I am excited to wear all three of these, but let me know in the comments down below which one you liked best. But these are my favorite winter and New Year's Eve outfits. And remember to hit subscribe to stay up to date and get notified of any future hauls. I'll definitely have a Valentine's Day haul. And I also do makeup and beauty. And as we are heading into 2026, I'll be doing some videos on kind of how-tos and some tutorials. If one of your goals is to start wearing makeup and looking a little bit more polished, then definitely check out those videos as well. I hope everyone has a great 2026 and happy shopping.